Welcome to Linux classes, Linux series. So today in this class we are going to discuss about these commands. Let me share my screen. Yeah, can you see my screen? Sorry, I'm talking on mute. Okay, can you see my screen, guys?
Yes, sir.
System resources. Okay, I will see about these comments. One second. So these are these comments are very useful these are all system resources comments. So we'll see one by one. So the simple, what is exactly, I think you know all these things, guys. Let's discuss once. Okay.
Yeah, sir.
Yeah. So let me open this. Is it working? Okay, that's fine. See this. What is WHO? Who command? What is the purpose of use? So WHO, I will use this WHO. Sorry. Oh. See this? It will give the information who have logged in. Okay. How many users logged in? Which means by using this user. Okay. If it is, for example, if I go into the root, super root, I'll go into super root. Let me check again. WHO. Excuse me, I think it's wrong. WHO. See this? How many? Just now I have logged into EC2 user, right? So whatever users you have, like all the data, user activities, like who have logged in. Okay, who is username, and also date and timestamp, and also which IP. So with which IP he have logged in. So it will give all the details. Okay. So next command, WHO, same command, but I want to see the columns headers. So WHO hyphen capital H. See this? Same command, just I want to see what it is exactly. So name, line, time, okay, comment like this. Okay. So all this is, and W command, I think we have seen W command, right? So what is W command? What it will give after login? Okay, what are the activities performing? Okay, it will show like this. For example, username, it's given tty login. Okay, login time. Okay, it's some ID, CPU related. Okay, so all this information, it will show entire activities log. It will give entire activities logs. So you see this, I have done this, right? So I have logged in super user, super user. Okay, so EC2 user also I have logged in. So it will give these details. If I have more users, if I log in with the same user, different users, it will also show this by using this command. So we can see all this information. Okay. Next I will see another command, uptime. Okay, what are the comments? This is done. Okay, so this command uptime means at what time it is. Okay, for example, in real time will restart. For example, sometimes it will, servers will down. Okay, after it will up. In basically in test environment, we can shut down the server, we can down the server, we can up the server, and we can restart the server, we can reboot the server. But it will, this scenario will not happen in the real time. In real time, servers will be restart in yearly once or twice. Okay, shutdown time, that is called a shutdown time. So that will be in yearly once, or after maybe 2 years, for 2 years once, or yearly once, like that. Okay, so you can see all the details if you shut down. So you can see by using uptime command, you can see when it is up. It's up to 13 minutes, because after our session I have shut down this. Okay, I have stopped services, so just 13 minutes back I just started. Same this information, what is the load average. So users, how many users I have, you see this, 2 users I have, it is showing like this. And load average, it is showing load average. Okay, how much load it is, how much load it is taking in the average. Okay, overall average it will give. Okay, and okay, so CPU related, if I want to talk about CPU related, so how to know my CPU related to which core and all. So some processor directory will be there. So in directory we can see, for example, cat proc CPU info. See this, so this is about your CPU related. So this is actually this, why, how I got this information. This CPU is related to Amazon. Okay, this Amazon CPU, whichever whatever I am using EC2 user, that configurations. See, processor and CPU family something. Okay, model number. Okay, model name, Intel or Xeon or something, CPU number and version 3, so and so XYZ. Okay, so all this information it will give. Okay, CPU hedges, how much hedge, all information it is giving, all the information. So if you want to see your exactly what CPU, what configuration it is belonging to, and if you want to see entire details, you can use this command CPU info. Okay, right, where it is proc in directory, this directory, proc directory. Okay, processor, all processes you can see in processes directory. System related, system information related, all the information you can find from this directory, right? Next, for example, so if I want to see operating system version something related, so all these things. So releases, so you heard about releases, right? So cat etc and release. Excuse me. We don't have that file actually. See, we don't have any releases, so we have only request keys related. Okay, let me check release file where it is. cd proc. No, that's fine. Okay, okay, next one, users. Okay, I want to see the name. Okay, I think release what? How to see release? Cannot release. Use uname. Let me check. Hyphen or okay. Okay. So my operating system is Linux. Okay. Release in the sense I have to use hyphen or not completely.
Sir, you are not audible, sir.
Is it not audible, guys? Is it not audible?
Fluctuating, sir. Fluctuating, sir. Your voice is.
Okay.
I guess it's your mic, sir. Microphone.
Okay. 1 second. I'll cross check.
Now it is fine, sir.
Now it's got settled. Okay. So okay, fine. I will check again. Is it fine now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Where we are? So let me open this. See this uname in the sense whatever your operating system which you are using. So currently I am using Linux. That will show your operating system uname. Hyphen or means release. So this Amazon Linux machine. This is a 64-bit. So this is a release version. If you want to see operating system version release, so you can use uname hyphen r. Okay. So next to users is user something. It is that. Yeah, it is users. So next to users, let me use this command users. See this? How many users? 2 users. This one and this one. Okay. Next to who am I? Who am I? See this? Currently I am in root. Okay. For example, I log out. Who am I? Sorry. See this? Like this. Okay. Next to you know guys already man command, right? This man command. So all manual, whatever manual entire, for example, if you want to see what are the subcommands, what are the commands are related to man. So I mean ls also, if you want to see ls, okay, q means quit. Okay.
Syntax.
Yeah, syntax is, so for example ls hyphen l is there. So like this, how many if you want to see man ls related to ls, all it will get. For example, man ls means list directory content. Okay, like this hyphen a means all, hyphen capital A means almost all. So like this manual, man means not human being, man means manual. For example, if you buy something, you will get instruction manual. Same way, so if you want to know more about Linux commands, any commands, so you can use man command. So along with that subcommand. Okay, syntax. So let me quit this. For example, mk. Next I will use mkdir. So this is about mkdir. For mkdir, for extension, what kind of options we have? See, mkdir along with this hyphen m is there, mode hyphen p parents hyphen v. If you don't remember commands, so you can also check for man command, for mkdir command. So what are the commands we have available? By using manual, you can able to refer it. Okay, quit. Okay, so that's what about man. So for example, ls command, I want to see so I want to see the binary files. Okay, manual pages. Okay, binary files of ls. Okay, I can also use this command. Where is where is ls? See this? So you can get all these things, binary files. This is all related ls related binary files. Okay, Next, if I want to, if for suppose I don't have Java, but I want to see Java. So where is my Java? Where is Java? I don't think we don't have. Nothing is there. See Java. We don't have anything because it's empty. We don't have binary files because I did not. I don't have any package. I did not install the package. What package I have installed earlier, guys? Have you heard? Have you remember, guys? At that time while we are doing CloudWatch. I think we have installed HTTP D.
Yes, sir, Apache.
Yeah, Apache. Let's see. Yeah, it is also I removed. I think so. Apache not there. So if we have a package, binary files will have like this. Okay. I have removed. I think so. Okay, that's fine. So top command, guys. I know that you people know about this. What is top command? To processing and what are the running processors. Okay, so you can see this by using top command. What by using top command you can see the load as well. So all this data by using top command. Okay, currently running commands, currently running service also you can see. Okay. Right, next okay, some date is there. Control L, date. See, today date will get. Date in the sense today date will get. And if you want to set your customized date, you can also set. And which command? Which Java? I think space not there. No Java. See, if you have a Java, it will show entire details. No Java available. Okay. So which no HTTPD. Yes. Which I think it's not there. No Apache. See, no Apache. Okay. If it is not available, the package, if it is not available, it will show like this. No. If it is available, it will show along with the directories. Okay. So I have installed a tree package. That's why it's available. Okay. For example, if you want to set date, so this is a date. If I want to set the customized time zone, okay, for example, so date -s, what is the date today? Okay, for suppose I will see 407/04. Maybe is it format or not? Sure. I think here what format we got? This format. I am trying to give this format. Let's see. Invalidate. Expected. Okay. I have to give in this format only. See, guys, can you observe this? It's taken 4th month. It's taken 4th month, 7th date 2024. This is the format. Okay, whatever set the format, it is taking according to the North Virginia format. Okay, it is US time of format. In Indian standard, we'll use first date, after that month, next after month, after year. This is our format. But in US, it is the format, guys, because I have worked with the US clients. So their systems actually, it is the date they used to keep like this. Okay, if you give this also, it is taken, right? Okay, that's fine. Okay, for example, I want to see my hard disk details. If I want to see what is my hard disk and all, let me check. Is that what command? TF. Guys, don't mind, actually these are all small letters because it's taken default capital letters. Okay, df command, let me use this df command. You see this, So all related to hard disk, you got all the details. So how much percentage it is utilized? See this dev xvdal. Okay, almost 24%. It is showing the percentage as well. And another one is 13%. Two hard disks are there. Okay, so all these details. It is blocks, means this is size. Okay, used, available, how much free space, how much available, how much total, how much available, how much used, like this. And this is directories where it is exactly. Okay. Okay, next for example, I want to see, particularly I want to see in human readable format, df-h. Have you heard about this? -h. If you want to see entire clearly, see this guys, this is little tricky, tricky to understand, but here you can see for example this hard drive is there, how much it is size, total size is 8 GB. Now while creating EC2 instances, so it is 8 GB we have selected by default. So how much I have used? 1.9 GB, available 6.1, and how much it is calculated in percentage wise. Okay, so that's what this is all about this. And if you use df-h, so these commands very much useful when you have joined as a SRE, okay, site reliability engineer, because you have to monitor entire your CPU and RAM, okay, RAM utilizations and all. You have to be careful always, alarms and monitorings. So these small comments will be very much helpful at that time. So my requirement is I have one directory. Okay, in the directory now, how much occupied the space. Okay, I will give all the current directory subdirectory information. Will it give it or not? For example, so I have one directory. Okay, so in that directory, how much space occupied if I want to see. So what command I have to use? The same command, but where is that? See this? Only specifically. See this guys, if you use this command, you got all the information, right? So if I use this command, so you got only specifically hard disk related only. This is very clear information. Okay, so next host name. What is host name, guys? Can anyone please respond? I'm only talking myself. Please. What is host name? Guys, can you hear me? Are you with me?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
can anyone have an idea about host name?
Is it?
Host name, which means IP address. See this? This is IP 172.32.31.12.154. Okay. See this guys? 170.31.12.154. I'm sorry, where it is? Yeah, this is IP address. Okay. So that is the host name. If you want to see particular IP address, just simply you need to, if you want to know your IP address, your system IP address, so you can simply type host name. Okay. Next. Okay, if config, guys, this is what if config. If config means I think may I have one question. I have a question. So in entire EC2 EC2 instances by default, so general question, so what kind of users we have? Already normal user means EC2 user. root user is there. If you type sudo so hyphen means you will get a root user. Okay, system user also will be there. Okay, total three. These are all small questions. Okay, root user, normal user, system user. Okay, I want to display IP address of what? I want to display IP address of my public. Okay, I want to display IP address of my server. If config, I'll show you. Where it is? Can anyone find this one, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, yeah, 172.31.12.154. net mask this much. Okay, broadcast this one. Entire total information it will gives. Okay, so TX packages, network engineers can understand very much clear this. Okay, so inet 6, all information. So this is what. Okay, next. So for guys, anyone know what is the same command? Is it will work in Windows? See this? I'll check. It will not work, I know. If config. See this? No. But IP config it will work. IP config. See this? So in Windows we have to use IP config. So all the information you will get it. Okay. Subnet mask also, IP address, all details, same kind of details. This is related to LAN addresses, LAN related, internet related details, and this is about your system. Okay, next. Okay, next, including if you want to see specifically, if you want to see subnet related IP, yeah. Okay, only subnet related information. If you want to see, you can see this. Okay, for suppose if you want to give specifically host name, if I want to use this command, we'll see what it will get. Simple IP address. Okay, it is getting host name also. Host name will give entire information, but you want to see specifically only IP address. This is the IP address. Okay, next will be man is completed info. One second. Man is done right already. Okay, next. Info command, if I use info command, what it is getting? It is also kind of man. Okay, info, similar, all information guys, link related, LN, MKDIR, so all. See this tail, who am I? See this? One by one, remove, related remove. Okay, see this? Go slow. See this? .env files, date related, what exactly it is. It's a kind of manual, it is also. Okay, CP means see, copy the files, abbreviations, clear information it is given, but it is only given only information, that's it, what it means, name, abbreviation, simple abbreviation. Okay, so options it's not available, options it's not given, right? So info command. So nothing else. Next, help also, hyphen help. Have you seen this guys? Hyphen help, HELP. See, it is also kind of man, but it is having very some only few information, some information will be there. Okay, see, from here itself it is info related, where it is, from where, from here, right? See, what are, this will give very short information. It's not giving full information. So you guys know, you understood, right? Information, hyphen help, and man also. So these are all useful for information, complete information about your commands. Okay, and next, what is also done, right? Next, service. Okay, what is service, guys? So in your top command also you have seen the services. Whatever the if you install a software, it is going to give you a service. Okay, for example, if it is Nginx server, if you install a package, Nginx package, it will be after installing it, it will be a one service for you. Okay, Apache is also kind of service. So Jenkins, Java, so these are all kind of services. So if you install the software, it will act as a service. That service, if you want to see the service, so these service, if you want to see all information about the service, so you can use the service systemctl commands, and also some service command also. These both two commands will be useful for checking the services. Okay, that their status, or stop status, or start status, or okay, like that. Okay, where is my pen? Okay, so list, we'll see. I have one command, systemctl systemctl list -unit files. See this? By using this command, you can see the all services which are available, which are active, and which are disabled. So you can see all the services details. Okay, so by using this command, it will be very useful command, systemctl list unit files. Okay, so you can see this all services, what are the services available in short. Okay, so next, so for example, I want to check my service, whatever system, I think package, I think HTTPD is there, I think so. Okay, let me check. So service, for service, whoever use service SSHD status, or start status. First we will see status. Okay, status, see this, see it is active. So control C, I will use systemctl also, systemctl. So we have to use status here, name status SSHD. See, earlier SSH service SSHD and status. Here systemctl status SSHD. See this? The same command, by using service also you can get the same result. By using systemctl also you can get the same result. Okay, so control C. Okay, now I am in a root actually. So if I want to stop the service, okay, PID number is how much? 2108. Okay, if I want to stop the service, systemctl stop sshd. Okay, now I'll check the status. See the status, it is inactive. So if you want to start the service, excuse me, again, instead of stop you can use start. Let me check the status. See, it is active. So like this you can start and stop the services, and you can check the status of your services. So whatever the service, whatever the package you have, whatever the package you had, you can see all the services of your software. Okay, so okay, next let me open this. This is also done. This is also uptime also we have seen, right? Uptime. So this, how long we have been open this, how long we have been this started this service? 46 minutes, guys. It's 46 minutes. Okay, let me close session. Okay, so we'll continue next class. Maybe are you guys will be available today, at least for some time? We can cover somewhat commands like ps command, kill command, like kill, you know, have you heard about kill? So to kill the IDs, PIDs. Okay, so guys, I don't know whether you can hear me or not. I'm only talking myself.
Yes. No, sir. We are hearing, sir.
Okay, this is all about small command, guys. These are all commands: who, w, users, who am I, where is, date, df, du, df-h also, host name, if config, man, info, help, what is service, and systemctl list, unit files, and uptime. We have seen all these commands. These are all very useful. It is very small commands, but it is very useful commands when you use for system related, if you want to see system related information. Got it? So that's it, guys. That's all about today. So if you are available, we will sit next class. We'll take another class. What do you say?
Sorry, sir. I'm not available, sir.
Okay,
But you may take the class. We'll see the recordings if possible.
guys, what about you? I need your opinions also.
Yes, sir. I am available, sir.
So without him, shall we proceed?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so that's okay, guys. I will update you the time. I have some small meeting. After that I will update you. Okay, fine. Thank you so much. Thanks for joining. We'll see you in next class. Take care. Bye bye.